और थोड़ा सा हरा धनिया अच्छे तरीके से मिला देते हैं। इतनी अच्छी महक आ रही है कि लग रहा है कि तुरंत खा ली जाए। और ये ले लिया हमने आधा नींबू, फ्लेम बंद कर देते हैं, नींबू का रस चाट के अंदर डाल दें। इससे इसका स्वाद बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा। और ये मिक्स कर दिया, ये बनके तैयार हो गई। और अब गर्मा गर्म चाट को सर्व करते हैं। इसमें डालेंगे अब पीसी कुटी। ये शुगर सिरप जो अभी तैयार किया था, 2-3 चम्मच डालेंगे। इसी से चाट में खट्टी मीठी चटनी वाला टेस्ट आएगा। थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला, थोड़ा सा भुना जीरा पाउडर और ये नमक पाउडर। इसकी जगह आप कोई भी सेव ले सकते हैं।
ये जो है खुराफाती, नो 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 नो, भागो अंदर, नो। जब देखो तब घूमना है और बहुत घूमना है। नहीं घूमना है भाई, घर में रहा करो। पूरे टाइम तुम्हें घूमना रहता है। नो, ये ठीक से लग नहीं रहा है, कैसे हट जा रहा है? तुम हटा कैसे दे रही हो सिया जी? थप्पड़ खाओगी, थप्पड़ खाओगी। चलो अंदर, घर में रहो। Guys, you can see that Ramji and Siyaji are there. And specifically, though they're both, but specifically Siyaji has started roaming around a lot. Roaming around means not inside her house, outside her house. She opens the door of her house every time, her home, in fact, not house. She opens the door of her home and come out. That's why I had to put lock over there. But because of her notorious or naughty behavior, this lock is not functioning, and I have not brought another new lock. I have started putting some pens over there by locking the door. But she has learned, I assume that by observing me, she has learned how to remove. You can see that now she has removed one pin, the lock, the another. She uses all her force and power and she comes out. Sometimes she just hang that lock into another row or column of her house or her home. So this is my cuties, and they love a lot to be outsider outside of their home, not being inside of their home. Though this time I don't know whether she is knowing that she is under camera. She is taking a lot of time to come out. Otherwise, it's a work of seconds to come out for her. Huh? You can see that how she is putting her paw and then is trying to come out. Now see, finally, see, Haji, go inside your home. Go into your home, say Haji. No, don't come to me. No.